and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got in my care package from home. So it's just some essentials, well, what I class as essentials and what I've ordered from my mum, who's quite kindly sent this to me. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it and I'll show you what I've got. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Juliet and I moved to Kempton, Germany with my boyfriend over 8 weeks ago now.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Before I start, I just want to apologise for my appearance. Lewis and I have just been to the running track and basketball court by ours, and then our parcel just arrived and I really want to open it, but I want to film it as well, so I haven't showered or anything. So yeah, let's get this bad boy open. My mum put sellotape all around the box, but I don't know how to open it now. I think that's the bottom. Yeah. This is the top. Let's try this then. Why did my mum do this to me? How in the world am I meant to do this? Here we go. This bit? No, this way. Here we go. We're in. So, this is what I've got. This is what it looks like on the inside. I mainly just requested chocolate and spices, but I'm not sure what else I'm gonna have in there, so let's have a look. This is what it looks like. And the first thing on top is, oh no, it's all melted. So I've got a chocolate bar rather than chocolate buttons. It's all melted. Let's see what it looks like. We did think it could melt because at the moment it's so hot. And my mum did say that, but I just wanted her to send it anyway. But these buttons are now a bar. Yeah, it's still gonna taste good though. Dairy Milk is the best chocolate, and if anyone wants to fight me on that, then you can. The next thing, some Sour Patch Kids. I just got these for Lewis because they're one of his favourite sweets. Fruit Pastels, my favourite sweets. Some Jack seasoning. Some fajita seasonings. Yum. Oh, this one didn't melt. I got some white chocolate. And these ones didn't melt, which is good. Oh, I got some wine gums. I didn't even request these. So that's a surprise, some wine gums. And then a lot more seasonings. Wow, a lot more of these fajita seasonings. So I got 6 of these fajita seasonings. A lot more seasonings. I got some extra spicy Cajun because Germans don't really like spicy food, or well, we haven't really found much spice in the supermarkets. And then some normal Tesco's Cajun, some more jerk, more jerk, more jerk. It might seem a bit excessive, but this probably will last us quite a while, so hopefully we won't need to get any more seasonings for a while. This is a bit more of a random thing, but we have a family friend who plays for Burnley Football Club, and I've got one of his shirts. So this is it. I'll try it on. But it's a FA Cup one. So I don't think you can actually buy ones like this. So that's really cool. So thanks, Max, if you're watching. And this is it on. So yeah, up Burnley. Woo! This is the back of the shirt. Don't know if you can see it that well, but it's Max Thompson that we know, and it's an FA Cup one as well, which is really cool. So Max currently mainly plays for the under-23s for Burnley, but has been selected in the Premier League squads quite regularly at the start of last season, and he has made his Premier League debut, which is quite exciting. I'll just carry on in this shirt. So other things that I got some squishies, and then more fruit pastels, 2 more packets of fruit pastels. Got some scrubbers. So we brought a scrubber that these sponges attach to that have fairy liquid in them. I'm not sure if they sell them in Germany, but we just got more scrubbers so that we can attach those. So they're just an extra. And then more chocolate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags of buttons that are all melted. So I got some caramel ones and some normal ones, but they're all melted like the other one that you saw in the start of the video. So I don't think I'm going to be able to save those at all. But the white chocolate didn't melt, which I think is weird. Why would the milk chocolate melt and not the white chocolate? So another packet of white chocolate. And then the last thing, some squishies. So I got 2 Milky Bar white chocolates, 4 buttons, all melted, 4 caramel buttons, all melted, 4 jerk seasonings, 3 Cajun, 2 like extra, and this is just a normal one, 3 packets of fruit pastels, 2 squishies, 6 packets of this fajita seasoning, some Sour Patch Kids, some wine gums. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my care package from home. So thank you to my mum and thank you to Max for my shirt. Hopefully when the Premier League starts again, we'll be watching Burnley play. Bit of a shame that all of the chocolate is melted, but I'll enjoy it all the same. And we've got a lot of seasonings to keep us going, which is good. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I got in my care package. I know that it's probably not what you expected, a lot of chocolate and a lot of seasonings. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have. I'd really appreciate the support. And hopefully see you next week. Thank you for watching.